For both pose. Cross our feet and come into seated. Okay. Now, bring your toes on the mat, heels out. Press your thighs as close as you can to your chest. From here, lean backwards so you are disengaging your sitting bones. Start to press your belly button towards the spine. Feel the power here. And straighten your arms out. Maybe you want to stay here. Maybe you want to lift your feet off the mat. Maybe you want to go halfway. Maybe you want to go all the way. So we go for 8, 7, 6, and 5. 4 to go. 3, 2. We hold in 1. Options to hold. Feet off the floor. Hold your thighs. Bring your legs up. And we hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 to go. Oh yeah, 3, 2, 1. Give yourself a hug. Squeeze. Let it go. It's all good. There we are. Our core work for today.